Let's begin the video and I'll show you how you can add overlay to your CapCut project. First open the CapCut and create a project, and here open any video. For example, my video will be this video, for instance. So this is the video I am working with, and this is the video I want an overlay over. So I'm gonna import an overlay. I have already downloaded it. So this is the overlay. So if I want to add it here, I need to press it plus, or I can drag it down. So I press plus and this is the overlay. So now I need to put it above here. It is practically or manually, automatically it will be right here. So I need to just grab it here and put where I want it. For example, if I want it in the middle of this, I'll put it here. So if I have too little this, yes, I'll put it there. So if I move the cursor or move the player button to there, you can see the overlay is there. I can go here, extract it, expand it, or I can reduce it, and I can hold on it and change its position. So if I want to edit the overlay, I need to press on the overlay and go on the exact timeline where it is, and there you go. I can press the overlay, I can choose its scale, I can choose its position here, or I can manually choose its position by clicking on it. I can blend it or not blend it. I can reduce image size, and I can do all the things you all already know. Okay, so this was it, how you can add blend. It's very simple, very easy, and it will help you to make your videos even better. So this was about the video. If you like the video, please like, subscribe and share, and thank you. Have a very nice day.